Hola Glam Glocks. I know it's been a while, but here comes another tutorial. I really hope that y'all enjoy this. Starting, of course, with the brows. Always start with the brows. Then I do the eyeshadow, and then I do my base on the face. Sorry, I couldn't help it. I apologize. I'm so sorry. Now that we've finished cleaning up underneath one eyebrow, I'm just going to go off camera and do the other one. Now, y'all have seen me use a few of these eye kits before, and I really like this matte black in the El Jefe eye kit. It's called Chingona. And this brush is amazing. Juvia's Place. I have two sets of their Juvia's Place brushes, and this is the turquoise set. I don't even know if it's on the website anymore. I checked yesterday. I did not see it. It is constantly being sold out, so I wonder if they just went ahead and took it off of the site. But this is the tapered blending brush, and it is so good for getting right there in the crease and being a little bit more precise. It is so soft. I fully recommend this brush set. And as you can see, I got that Chingona matte color, and I am putting it all in my crease and putting it a little bit onto my hood and V'ing it out on the outer corner. Blending is going to be key in this look, so I just got a clean brush, there's no product on it, and I blended the edges of the product that I put down, and with it's just a baby wipe, I'm taking some of the black off of my eyelid because I'm going to be putting down a white base. We're going to be using a yellow on our eyelid, and for it to really pop, putting down this white base is, I mean, it's a must. It is a must, and I find that I use this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil for everything, and I've had this for a long time, guys, so that buying one of those jumbo eye pencils is a very great investment. They're not that much money, but I mean, I find that I like this eye pencil a lot better than the little pot of the white base that they have. So the yellow I'm using is from the Afrique palette, which I've just recently depotted, and I am also using this Juvia's Place brush from the turquoise set and patting that yellow. I like this yellow a lot better than I like the yellow in the Zulu palette. The Zulu palette yellow tends to have more of an orange undertone, whereas this one kind of gives me more yellow, but almost like a neon yellow. So I need somebody to develop like a banana yellow. No neon undertone and no orange undertone. Please God. So, as you can see, I literally went back to that tapered brush, put a little bit more of Chingona, and I am V'ing out the look. Again, blending is key. And yes, I'm a beast, but don't worry about this because we will be cleaning up. I always wait until I'm done with the top lid before I even bother. Again, regular baby wipe. I go through so many baby wipes. I'm glad I got a toddler. Yes. For this look, I want to do like some really heavy contouring. So taking this Morphe palette, I'm going to mix Donut and Debutante. And I'm really going to chisel out my face for this look, I really feel like a chiseled out jawbone, cheekbone, and to really warm up the face, it's going to make this look go from 0 to 100. And I don't know, for my skin tone, I really feel like mixing these two really work for me. So taking the e.l.f. contour brush, that's what I'm doing, and then I really love this Real Techniques brush to blend everything out. I'm gonna be real with you, I was just being lazy and I didn't want to have to look for a blush, so this palette was sitting right in front of me and I decided, you know what, we're gonna use an eyeshadow as a blush today. So going into the festival palette, I grabbed my brush and it grabbed a little bit too much, and we're gonna be using that as blush. And I learned my lesson from last time, and I started very soft. I started with a light hand. I didn't want to just go in there and putting it on my cheek. Okay, mama didn't raise no fool. So we're gonna blend that out. You saw me, I was just like lightly patting it, dotting it on my cheeks, fairly amountly, hopefully. I don't know what the hell I'm saying. Guys, I learned my lesson from last time. And now, this was a very pigmented shadow, so I am going to have to do a little bit of veiling, but not as much as last time. I am going to apologize ahead of time because this is where a little bit more detailing has to come in. I don't know if I kind of explained where this inspiration came from. There is a very talented woman on Instagram. I believe her name is Malaysia, but her Instagram is O'Malley, and I believe that's what she changed it to on Facebook as well. She does amazing work. She's so talented, and not too far back, I did a collaboration with Laura Bunting and her group Makeup Wives, and we each chose a look from O'Malley as inspiration, and we recreated it. I put my own little twist to it, but I just think the woman is so incredibly talented, and this was for the collaboration, but I decided, you know what, I want to go ahead and I want to film this and put it on YouTube, you know, because she's inspired a lot of people. Who knows, somebody might want to try to see if they can recreate this somehow. So while I was filming this, guys, I'm blind. I have to have this little bitty mirror. Most of the time, actually most of the clips I had to delete because I was blocking the camera. You couldn't even see what I was doing. So I hope that for the most part you get the gist and you kind of see the technique that it takes. You're just little by little trying to make sure the eyes are the same, and you're just pulling that black shadow Chingona from the Hank and Hanry eye kit toward the eye, and then you're just shadowing it out. This highlighter is amazing. This is my favorite actually loose highlighter from Juvias Plays. For my skin tone, it gives the perfect sheen. Dry as you can see, it is beautiful. I mean, you glow for the gods. Just give me all the highlighter. Do you see how beautiful that applied? But for this particular look, I felt like it needed something else, and you're gonna see that I'm actually gonna wet it. When you put some on the brush and then you spray some setting spray on it, or primer mist, whatever, I think you could probably even use water, it's going to pop even more. but I absolutely love this highlighter. Just watch. Can you see the difference? Do you see how wet and just vibrant it looks now after, oh, 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 oh. I die. I die. The end of the look. I hope that you like it. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. All of the products will be in the description. Y'all have a great day. Bye.